Hey, random people out there on the internet. This is the next in the series for people trying to get into it, woodworking that is. And in this one, I'm going to follow up on the strips that I cut down in the last video. And if you watch the last video, you'll see that there are some issues that need to be addressed, specifically the way that the wood moved after I'd cut it. I anticipated that. I knew it was going to happen because it's, well, let's face it, it's not great wood. So what am I going to do with it? My project is to build a birdhouse, and I haven't got all the dimensions down or anything. Those that watch me know I don't do a lot of measuring. I kind of take what I got and do something with it. Well, in this case, I did do a little bit of measuring. This is the shortest one I have, and it is 22 3/4 inches. So I'm going to cut it in half. So I get 2 pieces out of the shortest piece I have, and there'll be 3 pieces out of the longer pieces, and we'll see how many pieces I end up with. I've marked it, and I want to cut it to 11 1/4. Make sure I get the right side here, which is this right here. Now I've already set up my stop block so that when I push this up against the stop block and make the cut, I'll have an 11 1/4 inch piece. So we're going to do that real quick. Now the cutoff has to be cut, but if I just slide it right up to that stop block, I said the cutoff, I mean, it's just barely too long. Put it up against the stop block. Now I have 2 pieces that are 11 1/4 instead of 1 piece that was 22 3/4. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut all these down off camera, and then when I come back, we'll see how many pieces I ended up with and how I'm going to be using them. Okay, and we're back. I've cut all the pieces, what I end up with. I've got about 42 inches by 11 1/4 inches of material to make my birdhouse out of. And if you've been watching the videos, you remember that was one nasty 2x4 that I started with. So, not too bad. As far as waste, yeah, there was some. But for the most part, minimal waste. So, what started out as a $2.98 plus tax 2x4, bought a couple of years ago, that had twisted, warped, bowed, and did everything it possibly could to frustrate me. After cutting it into strips, I think I have enough to build my birdhouse. In upcoming videos, I'm going to let you see how I'm going to be building that birdhouse. Before I can do that, though, I kind of have to figure it out myself. In any event, you have a great day. I appreciate your views and your subscriptions. Keep the comments coming. It's okay. Good ones, bad ones, I'll take them all. In the meantime, as always, be safe.